Hello, my name is Conor Crowley and I'm the Commercial Manager for Dyno-Rod. One of the divisions within our company is the Grease Trap Maintenance Department. One of the services that we provide to our customers is the Fog Trap Maintenance Service. The Fog Trap is a mobile grease trap which effectively intercepts fats, oils and greases before they're discharged into the main sewers. It offers staff-free grease management system. Staff don't have to touch the Fog Trap. It is replaced with a brand new empty system each month. The Fog Trap service ensures your kitchen remains clean and hygienic. The entire process is completed in just 5 to 10 minutes. There are no moving parts. This prevents any unwanted breakdowns and repairs that incur additional costs. It also contributes to the full circular economy. All the fats, oils and grease that is collected is put through a full recycling process. Irish Water and General Hotel regulations require all food service establishments to have on-site grease trapping equipment to maintain and dispose of their fats, oils and greases properly. The Fog Trap can be fully removed and exchanged within a couple of minutes by one of our Dyno-Rod service team with no mess or odours emanating in the kitchen. This means that maintenance can be carried out during the working day with no interruptions to kitchen staff. The Dyno-Rod team will effectively manage the Fog Trap for you.